What will deliver success for your business? Will it be to do more of what you are already good at, or try and fix what you are weak at? We believe that this question is even more fundamental. Do you want your business to live in a world constrained by failure, or open to the possibilities of success? Have you noticed that two people can talk about the same thing in completely different ways? Often, these are so different that you are not sure they are talking about the same thing. And in a way they aren't, because we don't so much use words to describe the world we see the world that we can describe. If we habitually use negative words, we experience a negative world, and that colours our interpretation. If we habitually use positive words, we literally create a better world for ourselves. That even affects the questions we ask. Most businesses, for example, when confronted with a challenge, will try and find the weaknesses that caused it so they can be fixed. But there is another way, and that is what I want to present here. Appreciative inquiry is a strength-based way to approach challenges or deliver change. Instead of looking for weaknesses that identify failure, it inquires about strengths that teach you how to succeed. By appreciating these strengths and the lessons of success, rather than the price of failure, it uses different words and explanations to describe the present challenge. And because we see what we can describe, it creates a positive frame of reference to approach it. That leads to different, more generative questions. Instead of how the past can be avoided, it asks how the future can be built. A key objective of appreciative inquiry is to inquire about and appreciate the strengths your whole business has in its people. It is only by identifying and mapping this positive core that you can tap into it to ask questions that are full of possibilities rather than negative questions which focus on weakness. Appreciate is an interesting word. It means to value, but also to increase the value of something. By inquiring about and valuing these strengths, you are appreciating the value of your business and the value it has in its people in both of these senses. We also see this positive core as the life-giving force in your business because it is the source from which you create your positive future. You do this through the process of inquiry in which your people discover from others their stories of success. It is this constant source of positive words, descriptions and images that help your people to imagine the possibilities of a different future. It is from this generative core that we discover how these strengths can be used to meet your challenges or deliver the change you want to see. This appreciative inquiry approach was first introduced by David Cooperrider in the 1980s. Since then, it has gone through extensive development and has proved itself as a powerful agent of change across the world. Here are just some of the organisations that have used this approach. But is appreciative inquiry right for your business? It isn't for all businesses, and it is a decision you need to make. If you need to find out, then contact me.